Guys, let's go again today. This is another platform that I think you might like. This is called Pi Quantification, and this is everything you should know about them. This is everything right here. You can see is exactly like those USDT platform that I've been sharing with you. There is one that I share few last month, I think, yes, last month, that lasts a lot of days. Many of us enjoy it. So this is another one. I don't know, maybe this one will go far, but you can still take this risk and see how it goes. So this is how this one work. You can see their VIP right here, VIP 1, and they have up to VIP 10. Yes. So the VIP 1, you can earn up to 20%, VIP 2 21%, VIP 3 22%, like that goes on to VIP 10, where you can earn up to 40% daily. Everything is daily. You can withdraw every day. Normally on this, in 5 days you will earn back your capital. Maybe as from 6 days go, you will start earning your profits in that VIP 1. But in VIP 2, in 5 days you will make your profit back, your capital back, and you will also start making profit on that VIP 2 go. So if this platform can last up to 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, that means you make a good profit from it. So you can see VIP 1, you can start with $10, and that $10 can give you 20, it can give you to $2 every day by day. You can withdraw every day by day. Every day by day, you will be withdrawing if you like. In that VIP 1, if you like, you can deposit more than $10. If you like, you deposit $50, then you will make more than $2. That means you will make more than $2. If you are making $2 from $10, that means in $50 you can actually make, let me count it, I think you can actually make up to $10. Yes, up to $10 on it. So like that goes on. That is how the platform work. So let me show you. I have already invest on the VIP 1. I do with what my powers goes can carry. So I'm going to show you what you'll be doing. Let me show you. I see my total assets here, $10. So after you, if you want to make your deposit, this is where you're going to click home, then click on recharge up here. You can recharge with any of these any of this currency here, BEP20 USDC. You can use your BNB to recharge. You can use BEP20 USDT. You can use your Tron, and you can use your USDT TRC Tron to recharge. So like that. So for instance, let's say you want to use your Tron to deposit, you can just go to any of your crypto wallet or your crypto exchange, click on Tron here, then after it load your wallet address, just click on copy, then go to any of your crypto wallet. For instance, if you have your Tron on your Trust wallet, just go there and transfer the Tron into. For instance, let's say this is your Trust wallet and you have your Tron here, your Trust wallet. You can just click on send here. Click on send, paste the wallet address, you copy, paste it here, paste it in the pasting box here, paste it here. So after you paste it there, I don't think the site give us memo, so there is no need for this memo if it does not give it to you. So it does not have memo. The site where you copy the wallet address does not have memo, so this one does not mean anything. So input the amount you want to deposit, input it here. You can input it for to 255 tron. So the total of that amount you input is going to show down here to know the amount you are sending out, to know the real amount of tron you are sending out, like that. So as you can see, as I type 20 like this, it shows 5. That means I'm sending out $5. So you I need like up to 40 tron to make it up to $10 before I can send it to that wallet. So that is just how to send from here. If you select USDT TRC20, if you select USDT TRC20, this is USDT TRC20, just click on send, paste the wallet address there, then the amount you want to send out, type it, 10 USDT. That is it. Just click on send next and send it out. So that is just how to send your this thing. Or if you select BEP20 USDT, select USDT BEP20, just click on send and do the following and send the money out. So that is just how to send it out and send it to the account. Immediately you send it, it will appear in your wallet there. So after the money appears in your wallet and you see it on your total asset, the amount you send, if you like, you can go to the VIP2, do the VIP2. Anyone you like, the VIP2 start with $60. You should know that $60, and you can make up to 21% daily on it. 21% of $60. I think that is over is I think so. I think that is over about 12.60 something dollars, 12.60 something dollars every day by day. So after you're already in your VIP, the next thing to do is to just click on start quantification, start quantify. Just click on it like this, and it will start quantify like this. As you can see, it's starting quantify, and you will see my earning here right now. You can see I have earned $2 right now. You can see it has appeared here and here also. So that is just how to earn from this platform. And the next thing to do is to go to me. I'll see that it has add up to your total assets. You can see your total revenue right here. The next thing to do is to go to home and withdraw the money. Withdraw the money immediately. Withdraw it. Just click on withdraw and come here and go and copy your USDT BEP20 wallet address. BEP20 wallet address. Paste it here. Input the amount you want to withdraw here. Input your security password. Then click on confirm withdraw. That is it. That is it. So this is USDT BEP20. You can see BEP20. USDT BEP20. So I have copied my wallet address. Just click on receive, copy your wallet address, and go back to the site. Go back to the site. You can see I have $120, $190 there. After I withdraw that, join it, going to be 192. So let's do it now. So I have input the amount I want to withdraw and the withdrawal address. Then I'm going to input my security password and click on confirm. So withdraw success right now. Let's see. I have withdraw successful. Let's see. Let me show it to you here right now. This is it here. Click on here to see the withdrawal history. You can see withdrawal deduction. You can see it right here. So I'm going to my trust wallet right now and see if the money is actually there. So I am here in my trust wallet. Let me refresh this page. As you can see, as I refresh the page, you can see the money has added up to it 192. 192. As you can see, this is it. You can see it right here now. Right now you can see the notification, and you can see. So that is just how the platform work. Immediately you are going to see the money. So guys, if you're interested in this platform, just check the description of this video. We see the registration link to register. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.